Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up an LLC with a registered agent in the most affordable way. It is very easy and anyone can do it. This video became possible thanks to the affiliate program of Northwest Registered Agent, and thanks to this program I have an opportunity to provide you with better offers that I will speak about a little bit later in this video, and in meantime you can check the affiliate link below in the description section. Having a US-based company is a huge advantage, especially for startups and e-commerce businesses, as it builds trust, simplifies payment processing, and opens the door to global customers. So let's start. Why do I recommend an LLC? First of all, it's great because it has fewer requirements than any corporate creation. Having an LLC limits your personal liability. If your business is ever sued, they can only come after your business assets, while your personal assets will stay untouched. Basically, it allows you to run your business as a separate legal entity, providing liability protection for your personal assets. Naturally, we strive to run our businesses responsibly and take every precaution to avoid legal issues, but unexpected challenges can still occur, so it's always wise to stay prepared, so just in case. If you're looking for investors, it's also good to have an LLC, as it will help you to find an investment easier and grow up your business faster. Another good reason to have an LLC is taxes, as you will save a lot on taxes when having an LLC. When having a corporation, the taxes will be applied twice. The first time for the corporation itself and the second time for the income of each owner, while for an LLC, you will pay taxes only for the income of owners, because an LLC is a pass-through entity. But of course, the taxation for an LLC is not that simple, and there may be exceptions, and even LLC can be taxed as an S-corp. So I highly advise consulting with your CPA or accountant on this matter. So now let me show you how to set up an LLC with a registered agent. But first, let's answer this question: what is a registered agent and why do we need it? It is a person or an entity that will accept legal notices and documents from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. I have been using the services of Northwest Registered Agent for over 4 years and have been very satisfied with their reliability and support. I've attached the affiliate link in the description below. Using this link will not only support this channel, but will also help you to save a lot of money, because you will pay only $143.39 for the formation of LLC and $104 for the state fee, while the registered agent service for the first year and filing service fee will come totally for free. So now let me show you step by step how to set up an LLC using Northwest Registered Agent, and believe me, it's super easy. This is what you'll see when you open the affiliate link. As I told you, your business formation will cost only $39. So let's start. We will press this button, let's get you started. And here it is, it's our first page, the order information. So be sure to choose the correct type of the business. For us is LLC. And the next step is to choose the state where you would like to form your business. Please notice that Northwest Registered Agent can help you to set up an LLC in 50 states. The most popular states for forming LLCs are Wyoming and Delaware. Wyoming is notable for being the birthplace of the first LLC, while Delaware played the key role in popularizing it, and I will choose Wyoming. Also, as you see, the price for Wyoming is $104, as I mentioned before. But if you choose different state, the price is different. For example, for Alaska, it's $250. For California, it's $90. So you have to keep this fee in mind. And for Wyoming, it's $104. Let's continue to the next step. It's company details. The first field what we have to do is to add our company name, how you would like to name your LLC. I will add random text here just to show you as an example, but you have to add the real information for you and your company. The next one, do you want to send a copy of lawsuit and legal notices to your attorney if you have one? I don't have an attorney, so I will choose no. Business purpose, you can choose generic business purpose, or you can specify. As I am doing an e-commerce business, I will specify the business purpose as e-commerce, and you have to choose the physical address and mailing address you want on record with the state. It can be either registered agent address or mailing address, or specify any other address that you want. Let's continue to the next step. It's a company management. There are two management types, member managed and manager managed. If you are not sure what does it mean, as you see there is a question mark icon, so you can press on it and get more information on this one. Members are LLC owners, so basically member managed is an LLC managed by owners, and manager managed is an LLC managed by manager that is appointed by the owner. So in my case it will be member managed, as I don't have a manager. And here we add the member information, first name, last name, and the address to record with the state. Again, it can be registered agent address, mailing address, or any other address that you will specify. You can also add more members if you have more than one members. For me it's one because I have only one member, but also keep in mind, as I mentioned before, for LLC you are paying taxes for the income of each owner. Let's continue to the next step, which is contact details. And in case of Wyoming, this information is only for Northwest registered agent, not for the state. So here we will enter the name, the last name, the phone number, country, mailing address, it's like street, building, flat, etc., etc., city, state or province if it's applicable, and zip code. Also, I would like to mention, it's very important that when you're filling this form, you have to use English letters everywhere. Let's continue to the next step. It's account setup. So here you have to add email address. This will be an email address that you will use to log in to your Northwest registered agent account, as well as you will get notifications and updates on this email. So be sure that you have access to the email you're providing here and you are checking it regularly. Then you have to create a password. It must be at least 8 characters, must contain at least one lowercase letter and one capital letter, at least one number and one special character, and of course it should match in both fields. And press continue to the next step. Business identity, this is something optional. You can get business domain name free for 1 year, and business identity bundle, which will include business website, business email, business phone number, and you will use it for free as a trial for 90 days. You can either choose all bundle, or if you don't need, you can choose it separately, just the service you need. Business domain or business website or business email or phone service. Currently, I don't need any of these services, so I will just proceed to the next step, which is optional items, additional services. And here we have all the services, and as you see there are again small question marks icons near each of it. So if you want to get more information on it, you can just press this icon and see what exactly this service is offering. So tax ID is the EIN number. There are two options. If you have social security number, it's $50. If you don't have, it's $200. As corporation election with the IRS, premium mail service, so you can get either premium mail forwarding or virtual office. Also, you can choose the state for your virtual address and delivery method, like a physical or digital scan. Also, there is a trademark service. If you want to protect your brand's name, logo, phrase, or design by registering with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, This is the service you need. And the last one is the trade name, DBA, doing business as. It will allow you to do business under a different name without forming a new business entity. I don't need any of these additional services right now, and don't worry if you forgot to add any additional service when placing your initial order. You can purchase them later on the website northwestregisteredagent.com at any time you need. So I will just continue to the last step, which is payment. For the payment information, you have to add the first name on the card, the last name on the card, your card number, security code, expiration month and year, and if credit card address is different from mailing address, you have to choose this option and to add your country address, like a street, building number, etc., etc., your city, state and province if applicable, and of course zip code, and just press done, and that's it. You filled all the information to form your LLC. It is that simple, that easy, and that quickly. In a few days you'll receive an email at the address you provided during registration confirming that your LLC has been formed and including your initial formation documents. You can also access all these documents by logging into your account on the Northwest Registered Agent website. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to support this video by using the affiliate link below. If you found this content useful, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next video where we will speak about how to fill the SS4 form and to get the EIN number. See you in the next video. Bye bye!